Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today is Saturday. Guys, 5:30 p.m. But now the time is 1 or 1 o'clock. I'm not sure. I am off to a carnival to get some few stuffs in the Ambanazo, guys. And as usual, I am late, Bandase. I think around 2 or 2:30 I have to go to a park station or a Joburg because the corner in the end before the hamba. So yeah guys, please I am begging you guys, please don't forget to watch ads. Guys, please watch ads because Sana the babe here is monetized. So yeah, I'm sure if you learn Hey my loves, welcome to the vlog guys. Namhlanje Monday in December. I didn't forget this morning because as usual I am rushing guys. Friday ndishiywe ibus and izolo ke ngoku ndihamba ndaya eteksini, so I got here this morning. Siyaphuma ke ngoku siyifamily siya emgidini siyogida, so I am taking you guys along with me.
Thandile kodwa lichokole nathi abayifemeli ufika kuthatha abalelo bakazali so without law no guns sithe thina sambuka ke uliye mhlangani mazi ngonkosikazi lo wakhe abantu andibiza nobiza ngadliwa no ndiyadliwa ngoba basasimthela igama lakhe bathi so nilonke zawunikela unkosikazi andiyazi somntu wathi bandimfuna singadisturb izawungaza phela
awalingaya amandla 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 kumambelekelo uthethayo namhlanje umnina umninawekazi umkhuluwakazi kaliyema ukanda wasekhaya lobethetha apha seyisithi ke abantu abadala kwelaa khaya lakwasisi size apha ngodadewethu ngoba kaloku ithi le nto xana sizalana siye sibe ngoodade nanku udadewethu esize naye udadewethu unkosikazi walapha kwelaa khaya siyayazi ubana xa sibala izihlobo nezihlobo zasebhayi zasemangwevini siyazibala ngoba ngabantu bethu aba sibaruthethile ungubhuti wethu siyayazi uhamba nathi noba siphi siyayazi uba ukhona asiyithathi kancinci ke loo nto yimivuyo yimibulelo yiyo le nto silapha namhlanje andizuwabiza ke abe made into esize nayo ke apha ngoba asifunda nento yokwamkela kanti asizanga nanto okanye sizolibulala instead of ubana siniphilise into esize nayo apha sithi ikwala umntana wethu selilale ebhedini entofontofo nantsi ibhedi size nayo yomntana size kuwe sisi nawe sibala sisitsho sisithi konjalo nje siyayazi bethunana umgidi ke mna ke niyawazi bendinawo konyapheleyo siyayazi into yomgidi sithi mani uba bekungekho apha ebhayi sisuka kude ngapha engqondo ngoku igusha noko iye lizawufela endleleni sathi ze nithenga igusha apha emaqoqweni nantsi imali yayo imali yayo lena yi-1.6 laa bhedi ayinalo ishiti leyana sithi ze nithenge neshiti neduvethi
ingxaki idlincinci ngoku bathi hayi bo bazolibuka kanjani
Good morning, guys. It is the next day, Ekoseni. Oh, guys, we got home very late from MKT, and now the time is, I think it's 9 o'clock. I'm not sure, but I am with my in-laws, so now I need to go and Kotiza, but it's not Kotiza with because Joanne 9 and I'm still sleeping. But Lee Emma Zanzibar, so now we're going to breakfast. So it's not easy like kwakho endlini apho uvele uplane khona zokwenza into ethile because usisi losikele kwakhe akekho ushiyeke apho bekukhona umgidi because kukwasister wakhe, so thina sabuya seza apha kwakhe. So yeah, and say let me go ndiyokwenza i-breakfast. Ndizabuya ndini-update ngento what's going on, because even today and I think I'll leave tomorrow nge-18. Amanye abantu basendlini kuba bakaphilile bengezigcwele ngesana. Guys, I don't know where my tripod is, but okay, ndenze iplan. So guys, I am done taking a bath. Kushoda ndilungise iweave yam, then ndizofaka iqhiya ngaphezulu because I am going back to Motherwell. But iplan ibikukuba today ndiya eMotherwell, but now umkhulukazi wami bephangele, so she's on her way back up. So uthe xa endifuna ndabe ndinxiba ndize eMotherwell, so wathi mandimlinde sizoya so bayi-2. So in the meantime I think mandibe ndisenza i-lunch because ekuseni ndenze i-oats. Mandibe ndisenza i-lunch because sizoshiya abantwana apha endlini so that babe nento yotya yabo. And then even big brother, my husband's big brother wethu, she is working remotely, so uzobe elapha. So I think manenze into yotya because indodakazi yami ikhona akahambi yena uthe she's tired. Manenze into yotya, if umkhulukazi wami uyafika uzayigqibezela yena. Guys, I am having a monster because I am tired. Ndizama my hand ndizama ke sana I don't know, but okay guys, I am wearing a pin that I wore on my last vlog. So yeah, bantasa sizoyani eMotherwell sonke ndiyamanani. So yeah guys, cut candy yami ndiyoshayinisa ringi. Let me go and go teaser and make a lunch for abantwana lapha endlini. So yeah.
This one I got you with the job, I know get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that back. Big man, baby, yeah, back that. What's it go? You are go, all the men, the cash, ride the foot, on your feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all the men, the cash, ride the foot, on your feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they try to get to another way. Plenty survive with face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one buy.
Sausage, a little of stew, you know, put it on the good taps one.
Ufuna uvele
when it comes to money, I did concentrate. Because I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become, you shall not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are go, all the men, the cash, ride the foot, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are go, all the men, the cash, ride the foot, I know feet, now.
Sisi bishi, sina si happy, nina ni rupi.
Cause anyone to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair up, I see I'm fair. You find me ugly and one day you disappear. Was the point of crying? It was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boys and we are. Okay.
Lana, we are back from Elwandle and we are tired. Supper yethu ke guys Lana. Supper yalapha emzini but minus me with Bronze Shem. I am from the ghetto and Ziki zone.
I know die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they die to do, I'm plenty survive with this. Just to make sure one day. From my people, then go say I don't want fight, I don't want die, I don't want women, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the love. Don't tell me what's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, the gas, ride the whip, I know be die for nothing. What's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, the gas, ride the whip, I know be different things than happening, schemes and packaging in a one night.